The Rampit USA installation series will demonstrate the basic steps necessary for installing various Rampit USA residential ramps and components. The methods demonstrated in the following videos can be applied to a variety of ramps and applications. Part 1, 6-foot straight ramp. Part 2, 12-foot straight ramp. Part 3, 12-foot left turn ramp. Part 4, 12-foot turnback ramp. "12-foot left turn ramp." Now that we've covered the basics of installing a Rampit USA straight ramp, we'll create a left turn ramp by installing an additional platform between the upper and lower ramp sections. The steps in this video can be used to install a left or a right turn ramp, or to add a resting platform in the middle of longer, straight ramps. For the purposes of this video, some ramps and components have already been assembled and placed in position. For more detailed instructions on installing any of these components, please refer to the first or second video in this series. Prepare the lower platform. With the assembled lower platform resting on sawhorses, assemble the handrail. Because the handrail on the left or right turn platform has a 90-degree corner, assemble the handrail prior to attaching it to the finished platform. Do this by connecting the handrails with 90-degree corner pieces inserted into the open ends of each handrail. Secure the corners using self-tapping screws before mounting the handrails to the platform and moving the platform into place. Prepare the top ramp section. Because this section of ramp will be installed between two platforms, adapters should be installed on both ends of the ramp section. Adapters on the upper end of the ramp section should be angled down, while the adapters on the lower end of the ramp section should always be angled up. Connect the platforms. With the previously assembled platforms moved into place and leveled, lift the assembled top section of the ramp, complete with handrails and adapters, into place between the platforms. For this application, we will align the ramp section to the far outside edge of both platforms, allowing for the maximum turning radius between the ramps. This is called maxing out the ramp. Secure the ramp to the top and bottom platforms using the aluminum adapters and provided hardware. Tighten the hard-to-reach hex nut on the aluminum angle using a 5/16 wrench. Install lower ramp. The last section of ramp in this video has been previously assembled with handrails, aluminum adapters, ANSI loops, and a 12-inch bevel. For detailed instructions on installing any of these components, please reference the first two videos in this series. We will once again align the section of ramp to the outermost edge of the platform to maximize the turning radius of the ramp. Secure the ramp to the platform using the provided hardware. Enclose the ramp. Once the ramp has been assembled, finish the installation by enclosing all handrails and wheel guards. We'll do so by using a series of provided ANSI loops, plastic knuckles, and brush tubing for the handrails, and 2-inch aluminum angles for the wheel guards. Secure the wheel guards with self-tapping screws and tighten the plastic knuckles with an Allen wrench. Install ANSI loops wherever a ramp handrail is aligned to the outside edge of the platform. Secure the ANSI loop to the ramp handrail using self-tapping screws, followed by an additional self-tapping screw to secure the ANSI loop to the platform handrail. Enclose open handrail ends with black plastic caps and a rubber mallet. Because this ramp has been maxed out, we can complete the lower platform handrail using one additional handrail, connecting the inner ramp handrails with plastic knuckles. Following the installation of any ramp, we recommend sweeping the surface or blowing off any debris with the leaf blower.